Hello, howdy. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to our class again. Right? Please remember, in previous video, already we are discussing about writing, grammar, tense. But again, today we will come to the tense part. Already I have discussed with you. Tense, present tense, past tense. Two types of tense. But time, three types: present time, past time, and future time. But don't think that tense three types. Already I have discussed. Okay, tense two types and time three types: present time, past time, future time. Okay, now already in previous video I have given you the homework. That means to break the verb. If you have completed, then it's good. If not completed, try to complete it. If you are doing the homework at home and you are sending comments to me, then you will be happy and I will be happy. Okay, then come to, before going to the tense, I am telling you know what is tense? Tense, it indicates form of verb. And time of action. If it indicates, then we can say that it is a tense. Tense, how many types of? Now, present tense, then past tense. It is tense. But time, what is time? Number one, present time. Number two, past time. Number three, future time. Clear? This indicates time. It indicates tense. Clear? That means tense two types: present tense, past tense. Why? You know that main verb have two forms: present tense, past tense. But third form is known as past participle form. So there is no future verb, future tense. So we can say easily that tense two types: present tense, past tense, and time three types: present time, past time, future time. Before, okay, then come to the forms of tense. How many forms are there? If we know, then it will be easy. Number one, it will be simple form. Simple, it may be in present. It is in present and past. Okay, then simple. Then come to continuous or progressive. You can remember progressive. Then come to perfect. Then come to perfect progressive. Okay, that means one by one we will discuss. First we will discuss today's, that means about simple, only in present tense. Only we will discuss. We will discuss past later. We will discuss past tense later. Today we will discuss the simple tense. Before going to the tense, already I have told you, that means sentence. First you know sentence. Don't try to remember the rules. If you read books, then you will find books and the teachers are telling many books you have to remember. Present tense means this will come. Okay, you will know that. But from the beginning, try to concept you are clear. When your concept will be clear, then definitely you will go to the rules and regulations. Don't think rules and regulations making us hedgy. Don't go to. Okay, before going to the tense, that means present simple, or that means only simple. We are discussing about the present tense, simple form. Only first form is the simple form. Before discussing this, we should know what is sentence. Already I have told you. Have you remembered or not? Have you remembered or you have forgotten? Watching video and forgetting. Arey beta, try to, while you are watching video, keep a copy with you and note it down, which are required. You can note it down and try to do the homework. Okay. Okay. Then simple prayer. I have already told you what is sentence. I will not elaborate it again. That means sentence. If you go to a sentence, what you will find? Sentence means, I have already told you, sense plus tense. That means it will give the complete meaning. Sense means complete meaning. Tense means it will indicate which tense it is. Is it in present tense or past tense? It will also indicate the time. No problem. Sense plus sentence. If we know the sentence, then it will be easy. By catching the sentences, we will go ahead to the simple. Okay, easily. Okay, who can say how many types of sentence are there? Generally, you know that sentence number one, you know, declarative sentence, declarative, or it is known as assertive sentence, or it is also known as positive sentence. Positive sentence. Okay. Number two, negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. Then come to interrogative sentence. Number three, interrogative sentence. And you remember that interrogative sentences are two types. Number one, if you discuss, number one will be yes or no. Number two will be what? We can say WH word questions. WH word questions. Then number four, come to imperative sentence. Imperative means, you know that imperative sentence means order, warning, suggestion, like that sentences. Okay, command. Okay, imperative. Then come to exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Generally, we know that five types of sentences are there. Number one is a declarative sentence. Number two is negative sentence. Number three is interrogative sentence. But interrogative is divided into two parts. Number one is yes or no question, and number two is WH word questions. Clear? Then come to number four, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means suggestions, warning, request, command. Okay. Then come to exclamatory sentence. Five sentences are there. But today we will read exclamatory. We will read later on. Today we will read declarative, negative, interrogative, imperative by taking present simple. By taking simple sentence. Okay. May I raise it? Okay. Did you understand? Okay, beta. Now comment. Now, okay. Already told you sentences. Present simple means, please remember what is the not formula, you have to keep it in your mind. That means subject plus main verb plus object. This is the formula of simple. It may be present or it may be past. Subject, main verb plus object. It is the formula. Please read subject. Suppose I wrote, I draw a picture. I draw a picture. That means here this is known as subject. It is known as subject. But the rest part from here to here, leaving subject, if we leave the subject, then the rest part will be known as predicate. You know, it is predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject is only verb, subject. Subject is this one. From verb to rest part. From verb to rest part is known as what? Predicate. Okay. What is our formula? Our formula is that what? See here. That means formula is that subject. Can subject. After subject, what is coming? This is verb. Main verb. Draw, drew, drawn. Draw, drew, drawn, past tense. I draw a picture. This is subject. It is main verb only, no helping verb is there. It is only main verb. It is object. Now see the subject, subject plus main verb plus object. That means a positive sentence or a declarative sentence or an assertive sentence, what? Subject, main verb, object. And in previous class already I have told you, first you look at the main verb. Who is the main verb? Main verb is draw. Now I am telling you. Listen, a present, past participle. Okay, take the example of draw. It is draw. Past tense, what will be the past tense? Drew, D-R-E-W. Then what will be? Drawn. As you know, it is present tense, it is past tense. It has the work later on, it is not the future. So leave it. First, leave it. We decide this. Okay, present and past. You got the tense too. But we are not discussing about the past. Now, we are not discussing about the past. We will discuss it later. Then come the present. Because our is present simple. Okay, that means present. Draw means, already I have told you, what is there in present tense? Do is there. Do plus draw. Do plus draw means draw. Okay. Suppose here I wrote, I draw a picture. Draw means do plus draw. Okay. Suppose I wrote, she draws a picture. Now you find the difference. You find I draw. I is first person singular number. But she is third person singular number. But here I am telling you, first person, who is first person, then come to the second person, then come to the third person. We will know. First person, who are? It is singular, it is plural. Okay. Then singular first person, who is? I, only I. Then plural is we. Clear? That means in first person two subjects are there. One is subject I, another subject is we. Okay. In second person what happens? Now only you. It may be in singular, but it may be in plural. Same. But here you is not, you will not write you. Suppose only one boy. I am telling you. You is a boy, it is not. You are a boy. If it is one, it will take plural. If it is more, you are boys. It will be more you. Then please remember, first person I, we. Second person only you. Only you. Only you. Third person, what is singular number? It, he, she, any name, any single name, monkey, school, etc. It will be singular. It will be third person and plural is they. If you remember, then it will be easy. Okay, did you understand? First person singular, plural, I, we. Second person you only, and third person it, he, she. These are the only singular numbers. They are the third person singular number, and they is the plural number. Okay, we will go here. Okay, already I have told you, that means I draw a picture. That means subject, main verb, object. Okay, here draw means do plus draw. Okay, here also it is subject, it is main verb, plus it is object, Same thing, but what is the difference? Now here I is first person singular number, so first person singular number will take the main verb, direct main verb. But here she is the third person singular number. When it becomes third person singular number, already I have told you, verb will carry s or es. So draw carries s. So draws here. That means draws means first, here we know draw means do plus draw. Then I come to the draws. Draws means what? Dodge plus draw. Here see, both are same. And one thing please remember, it comes to my mind. That means when we are using s in noun, it becomes plural. Monkey, monkeys. Teacher, teachers. Doctor, doctors. Farmer, farmers. Okay? If we are using s in what? Subject, it becomes plural. Right? But when you are using s or es in main verb, when you are using what? S or es in main verb, that becomes a singular. That becomes singular. It is plural. It is plural. But draws is singular. We have used s. Goes, suppose goes, yes, it is singular. That means he goes. She goes. We cannot say he go. We cannot say he go. We can't say. We can say he goes. Because he is singular, but verb takes s or es. It became plural. It seems like plural. It is not plural. Please remember. It is not plural. If in a noun we are using s or es, that becomes plural. Okay. Okay. Now, have you understood? Have you understood? This one is very important. My concern is that if you are doing this, do plus draw means do plus draw, and draws means does plus draw. This much. If you know these, then it will be in your hand. Within a eye blink, you can solve all these. How? I am telling. That means, okay, come to this one. That means, I have already told you positive sentence, declarative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, then what is imperative sentence. Now, this is the declarative sentence, positive sentence. How can you make it negative? If we are able to make it negative, negative is in your hand. First you think, what is it? Draw. Draw means, please remember, here I am writing, draw means do plus draw. Now you want to make it negative. Don't think. In the middle you use not. If you use not, it became negative. That means I do not draw a picture. Clear? It is declarative or assertive. It is negative. I do not draw a picture. What is the difference? Draw. If you break the verb draw means do plus draw, then in the between you use not. It is not. It became negative. How easy is it? Now come to interrogative. Already I have told you interrogative two types. How many types of interrogatives are two types? Number one is yes or no, and number two is WH question. Yes or no means do you eat food? Yes sir. Have you taken your bath? No sir. That means these are the yes or no question. Okay, now first we will make it yes or no question. Okay, how? It is easy. How to make? That means draw. That means draw means do plus draw. First you take this one to the first. Do. Then asking I means you are not asking you. Do you draw a picture? Do you asking him? You are asking me. If you write do I, okay, no problem. But generally we are asking what is your name. He is telling that my name is this. Do you draw a picture? Draw a picture. हो गया. Question mark. Interrogative हो गया. Interrogative. Which type of interrogative? Yes or no. Yes or no. Do you draw a picture? If he draws a picture, he will tell yes I do. If he doesn't, he tell that no I don't. Yes or no हो गया. Number one completed. Number two completed. Number three completed. Then come to WH word interrogative. WH word interrogative means WH word you know what, when, where, which, how, whom. These are the WH words. Where like that WH word. That means suppose I draw a picture. If you make a question, what means answer will come this. That means while you are asking a question and this subject part you have to remove. What? Suppose what? Bring the what first. Then same thing. After what it will be followed this one. The third one. Okay. Interrogative. What do you draw? Now mark. Don't write a picture. What do you draw? Now you draw a picture. I draw a picture. The picture will come. That means see how easy. That means easy simply. I draw. Draw means do plus draw. Negative. I do not draw. Do plus not draw. Negativity became negative. Then while you are making an interrogative means first bring this one do plus draw. First bring the do. Then object. Do you draw a picture? Do you draw a picture? Question mark. Right? Then WH word you are making. That means first you bring the what. Come what or where or which or when or how. Okay. what, then this one interrogative, yes or no, do, what do you draw, it will not come. Okay, okay. Suppose how do you draw, suppose another I ask a question, what do you draw, okay, then someone will ask sir how, okay, no problem, how do you draw, हो गया, completed देखो assertive, negative, interrogative, yes or no, WH word question. Then what is that? Last one is 5 number, last one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is very easy. Command sentence, advice sentence, suggestion sentence, command. Suppose I draw a picture, okay, I omitted this one, suppose I omitted this one. Now what remained? Listen, draw a picture. That means here subject is hidden form. That means you are ordered or you are requested or you are advised or you are suggested to draw a picture. Sometimes I am telling you, switch off the light, bring a glass of water, go, stand up, sit down, take a cup of tea please. That means these sentences are the imperative sentences. Okay, did you understand? First, if I give you one sentence, I draw a picture, I will give you positive sentence, you will make it a negative sentence, then you will make it interrogative yes or no sentences, then you will make yes or WH word sentence, a WH word question, then you will make draw a picture. Okay, draw a picture means then you will make it what? Imperative sentence. Okay, if one sentence will be given, if you do it, then it will be very easy. That means here we are obeying the same formula. See, don't forget the main concern. Our main concern is we are reading about the simple. Simple means the formula is subject plus main verb plus object. Dekho, see it, subject I draw, I subject, draw main verb, object, clear. Then in second sentence you see I is subject, negative, then main verb plus object, हो गया, completed. Then देखो ये interrogative when you will make it interrogative. Suppose this question is given, do you draw a picture? Suppose this question is given, do you draw a picture? Make into positive sentence. What will do? When you are making it positive, first you think it will come here. That means do plus draw equal to draw. Do plus draw equal to draw. Already we know it. Okay. Do plus draw. You draw a picture or I draw a picture. Okay. Then WH word. While you are using WH word, first bring the WH word. After WH word, take the verb what you have got from it, from the main verb, do or does. Then it is completed. What is completed? The WH word completed. Then omit this subject. If you omit this subject, then what will remain there? That will be imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Another example I am taking. Okay. Okay. You understood this one? Another example I am taking. Okay. Last example. Okay. Like that you will able to do it. Suppose I wrote she eats rice. Okay. Positive, make it negative. While negative means eats means does plus eat. Okay, have you got it? Now negative, in here you have to use not. That means what will do? Number 2, she does not does, how do I, where do I get does? But eats means it will come does plus it. She does not eat rice. Clear? Then come to number 3, interrogative. What will do? This one you take first or this one you take first. Does she eat rice? Question mark. It is yes or no. Okay. Then use what after what will come? Does. What does you eat? देखो answer, that answer will come rice. Definitely what does you eat? What does you eat? What does she eat? She eats rice. Okay. Then number 5, omit this one omit. It's नहीं होगा. She as the third person singular number, it was eat, so eat rice. Here it what will you write? Eat rice. Completed. Did you understand? If I give one sentence, then you can make how many sentences? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is positive, assertive, negative, it is negative, it is yes or no interrogative, it is WH interrogative, it is imperative. Okay beta, now I am giving you 5 sentences you will do at home like this. If you practice, definitely I am telling you that there will be no problem because you know the formula. It is the formula of only simple. It is past, present simple I am speaking. While I will teach you the past simple, then I will tell, whenever it will not eat, it will be ate. I will tell you. But first you do this and I am giving you the sentences. You will do it. Okay? Now write the sentences for homework. Homework. Do it at home. If you do it, definitely within a continuous period, within 1 month, I give guarantee that definitely you will improve. Okay? Okay. Likho. He plows the field. Number 1. Number 2, she reaps corns. Number 3, we take medicine. We take medicine. Number 4, they plant trees. Number 5, you write a letter. Clear? Now, all these sentences are in declarative. All are declarative or positive. Declarative sentences. Declarative. But what you have to make it? First you will write. First what you will do? Listen. First think the verb is plows. Plows means, first you will write plows means P-L-O-U-G-H-S. Plows means does plus plow. If you write this, then you will get how to make it negative, how to make it interrogative. Okay? Okay? That means he plows the field. Every sentence you break the verb. You break the verb. After verb, there will be no problem. Dekho, I am giving the example again. He plows the field, positive. Negative, he does not. He does plus not, does not. Then third one, does, bring the first. Does he plow the field? Does he plows? No. Does he plow? Because does plus plow. Does he plow the field? What? Where does he plow? Where does he plow? What does he plow? How does he plow? Like that you will make question. Okay? Then plow the field. Plows the field. Plows the field. While you are making imperative, omit this. Omit this one while you are making. Okay? Omit this one. Okay? Now, it is the homework for you. Do better, do good. If you are facing any problem, definitely you should try to give me comments. And if you are doing continuously, then who can say that you will not improve? Don't remember the formula, what others are speaking. That means the formula, write the formula, sir, where, how it will be simple tense. I will give you. If you practice this, then I will give you some tips. In the tips, you will remember the formula, how to use the simple present. Simple. Okay. Right, beta. Thank you, beta. May God bless you. Keep it up. Go ahead.